So, okay, let's talk about punch button tower. So punch button tower, it looks like a normal game, right? But there's a there's a place, a place where everyone, and usually no, not a secret room, and there's an obby you're supposed to like complete, right? Not a tower. If you go in that secret place, which I will show you later, you go in it and you will see a one platform floating in the air. Go on that platform and go forward. You will be walking on air. Keep on walking straight, and then it will teleport you somewhere. You will see a creepy black figure. Touch the black figure and you will be teleported into the game again. But in the game, it's all dark and creepy, and you will see people there, but that's not real people. They're actually all the bots, and it's just you in the server. It's just you in the server, and bots. And a couple of seconds later, you will get a friend request by this person named Bob. Do not accept the friend request. I don't know what would happen if you accept the friend request, but all I know is something bad will happen, I think. But if you decline it, and then if you decline it, you will get banned from the game, saying, "Why I am going to kill you? Why did you decline me?" Okay, so here's footage of me actually playing the game. Do not ever play this game called Punch Button Tower. Okay, so we're in Punch Tower, and first we have to go here. Yes, here. Yeah, we have to go there. Okay, so that's all. That's all I think. Wait, you will be teleported here once you go here. Oh my god. What? Yeah, so that's okay. I didn't really finish the video when I saw the friend request. I really got creeped out, so I left the game in shock, and the world I was doing it on my auto account, and right now I'm on my main account.
This server is actually full of bots. As you can see,
please don't try it out.
As you can
see,
I'm the only person here, but there's
gonna try it out.
Other people too.
But if you're gonna try it out, I'm gonna wish you luck.
You'll get a friend request from.
But if you're gonna try it out,
I don't.
I'm actually scared. So, good luck. Bye. That's all.